Today I'm going to read you a story called Old MacDino Had a Farm. Oh, there's a lot of dinosaur footprints. There's big ones and there's very little ones too. Old MacDino had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had a Diplodocus, E-I-E-I-O. With a munch munch here and a munch munch there. Here a munch, there a munch, everywhere a munch munch. Old MacDino had a farm, E-I-E-I. Ah! Old MacDino had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a pterodactyl, E-I-E-I-O. With a swoosh swoosh here and a swoosh swoosh there. Here a swoosh, there a swoosh, everywhere a swoosh swoosh. Old MacDino had a farm, E-I-E-I. Whoops! Old MacDino had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a Stegosaurus, E-I-E-I-O. With a stomp stomp here and a stomp stomp there. Here a stomp, there a stomp, everywhere a stomp stomp. Old MacDino had a farm, E-I-E-I. Boing! Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a Triceratops, E-I-E-I-O. With a crash smash here and a crash smash there. Here a crash, there a smash, everywhere a crash smash. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I. Whoa! Old MacDino had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a Spinosaurus, E-I-E-I-O. With a splash splash here and a splash splash there. Here a splash, there a splash, everywhere a splash splash. Old MacDino had a farm, E-I-E-I. Yikes! Old MacDino had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a Velociraptor, E-I-E-I-O. With a screech screech here and a screech screech there. Here a screech, there a screech, everywhere a screech screech. Old MacDino had a farm, E-I-E-I. Eek! Old MacDino had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had a Tyrannosaurus Rex, E-I-E-I-O. With a roar roar here and a roar roar there. Here a roar, there a roar, everywhere a roar roar. Old MacDino had a farm, E-I-E-I. Run! And here are all the dinosaurs that Old MacDino had. The end.